Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. You guys know what I basically do on this channel is that I give you natural recipes for healthy living and beauty, and today's video is no exception. Today's video is all about how to get a glad skin in just 30 minutes without any side effects. This remedy treats skin problems like pimples, dark spots, wrinkles and the likes, and gives you that glowing young looking skin. It is also for all skin types, be it the skin, light skin, medium shade and the likes. And if you want to know the recipes and how to prepare this young looking thing, sit back, relax and enjoy this masterpiece from this beginning to the end, and you will regret you did. And if you are here to subscribe to my channel, kindly press the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon for you to get notified anytime I uploaded a new video on this channel. And do not forget to give my video a thumbs up. So let's dive into the video.